Hi, second grade. It's Mrs. Gorski, and today we're going to be talking about a coin review. Now, in second grade, we have four types of coins that we talk about. The first one, as you can see, is copper brown, and we call that the penny. The penny is worth 1 cent. Now, you notice, especially in first grade, you use the cent sign a lot. But as a second grader, we're going to start transitioning and changing over to using some other symbols. The other symbols that you see here is a dollar sign and a decimal point. Now, granted, both of them mean 1 cent. However, the symbols that they're using are different. So let's take a look at our next coin. We're moving into the silver coins. This one is a nickel. Nickels are worth 5 cents. The next one is a dime. Dimes are worth 10 cents. The next one, our biggest coin, is a quarter, and they are worth 25 cents. Now, when we count these particular coins, let's go ahead and start again from the beginning with the penny. You know pennies are worth 1 cent. So when you're going to be counting pennies, you're going to count by ones. So we would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cents. Now, when you change to a nickel, you know it's worth 5 cents. So we're not going to be counting by ones anymore. We're then going to change our skip counting pattern to fives. So instead of counting 1, 2, 3, we would say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 cents. When we move to the dimes are worth 10 cents. So then again, our skip counting pattern changes. So it would no longer be by ones, by fives. Now we're going to do it by tens. So you would say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 cents. And our last one is the quarter. Now, that's the biggest one, and it's the most difficult way to skip count because usually when you're in first grade last year, you counted by ones every day. You counted by fives and by tens, possibly during your calendar times. But usually counting by 25s, not so much. But as second graders, when we talk about counting money, we definitely need to count up to $1. So you know 4 quarters equal $1 or 100 cents. So we really want you to skip count by 25s to get to that point. So this is how you would do it. 25, 50, 75, 100. Or 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents, or $1 whole. Now, what we're going to do next is I'm going to read you a story. And that story is about a girl named Penny. And Penny is having a lemonade stand. And she is selling lemonade for a particular reason. And we'll find out at the end exactly what she's thinking about. So here we go. It is called A Dollar for a Penny. In the shade, I sell lemonade. I have pink. Stop and take a drink. So that's a pretty good price for a cup of lemonade. 1 cent. So if you walked up to her stand right now, you would need 1 penny to buy a cup of lemonade. My Aunt Jenny pays 1 penny. And there it is. She got herself a cup of lemonade. In my bank, 1 penny goes clank. The price goes up to 2 cents a cup. So she's a little good business owner here. So her prices are now changing from 1 cent to 2 cents. So you need 2 pennies now if you wanted to buy a cup of lemonade from her stand. Uncle Pete buys 2. 4 cents is now due. So how would we count these pennies? 1, 2, 3, 4. You would say 4 cents. In my bank, the pennies go clank. The price goes up to 5 cents a cup. Ooh, that's quite a steep jump there. Here are my cousins, Kate and Lou. So it's now 5 cents a cup. So you wouldn't need pennies anymore. You could use 5 pennies. But what would be a better coin if you have it? A nickel. They both want lemonade. Woohoo! 2 nickels go clank into my bank. So here you see 2 nickels. So if we wanted to count nickels, remember we would be skip counting by 5. So you'd say 5, 10. I have some lunch, munch, munch, munch. For me, the lemonade is free. The price goes up to 10 cents a cup. So now you could use 2 nickels because you'd have 5, 10 cents. Or if you have one special coin, you can use a dime. Grandma Grime pays a dime. Go into my bank, clink, clink, clank. The price goes up to 25 cents a cup. My sister Lee gets 1 cup for free. She's nice to her sister. My brother Sam plays in a band. He wants 1 cup. He pays up. In my bank, 1 quarter goes clank. So here we have 1 quarter. So that would only be 25 cents. The price goes up to 50 cents a cup. Oh my goodness. My dad buys 1. Selling lemonade is fun. Clank, clink, clank. 2 more quarters in my bank. So here we go with the 2 quarters now. So we have 25 cents, 50 cents. Time to count the total amount. So here we have all the coins that she earned for her lemonade stand that day. So she has 3 quarters, 1 dime, 2 nickels, and 5 pennies. So what we're going to do, we're going to count and see how much she has in all. So 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents. 10 more cents is a dime. So then you'd have 85 cents plus another nickel. 5 more cents is 90 cents plus another nickel. Another 5 cents is 95 cents. Now let's go to the 5 pennies. 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, or $1 whole dollar. Wow, I holler, 100 cents is $1. I run to the store, I look in the rack. The card I want is way in the back. It's red and green and pink and blue. Inside it says, "Happy birthday, Mom. I love you." So she wanted to buy a birthday card for her mom. So she was saving up money from her lemonade stand to buy something very special for somebody that she loved. So I really hope you enjoyed that story, and stay tuned because I'm going to come back for another video because we're going to be counting more with coins. See you soon.